Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to apply a widget handle to the particular list view or tree view in Odoo 19 for our custom module. In today's lecture, we will be studying about how to create the dynamic tree view or list view, which means how to show the columns optionally as well. Which means here currently you can see all the columns are seen in the list view which are added in the code, right? Now what if I want to show some of the columns sometimes and sometimes I don't want to show the column. For example, currently I can see this available column. Now I don't want it compulsorily to be shown in the list view, but I may need in the future to see. So in order to hide this particular columns in the list view or tree view, we can use the optional attribute in Odoo 19 for our custom module. What it will do, it will create the dynamic tree view for the particular field and which we can use it to hide the particular column. Now for clear example, I am going to the cells module. Here you can see it is a list view, and in the list view you can move to the top right corner and you can see here the list of all the fields which are currently hide and show are shown. Here as you can see it is not tick mark. If I click on delivery date, you can see the delivery date column is shown. Now if I'll just simply remove it, the column is invisible. So how to implement such functionality in our Odoo 19 for custom module? Let's see. First of all, go to your code. Here in the code I am in the library view, and in the view search for the list view. Here is our list view, and add attribute in any of the field in which you want to hide it. Optional equals to hide or show, depends on you. Let me just add on the two fields. I will restart my server, go to the browser, go to the apps, upgrade my module, and then I go to the library management. Now you can see the two columns have been hide. Now if I go to the top right corner, here you can see this icon is shown. Before that it won't show. Here you can see all the fields which have been hide. Now if I'll select it, you can see that particular column is shown. So this small topic can be helpful for your particular functionality when you want to simply add the optional hide column for the particular list view or tree view. So let me summarize today's small topic. In order to add the optional column or hide the particular column optionally, you need to add the attribute optional is equals to hide in Odoo 19, and for that we go to the code. In the field you simply need to add the attribute optional is equals to hide. After adding, you simply need to restart your server and upgrade your module, and your functionality will be working. I hope today's small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.